hear me and Amber all right, because the microphone didn't charge last night and I didn't realise just now. But anyway, it looks the boat looks fantastic. What do you think?
Yeah, really cool.
The weather is fantastic today, so it's really good. Power Bridge. Amber. I think this is an absolutely great way to commute. I mean, it took us, what, around about 20 minutes, 25 minutes now from Canary Wharf to St Paul's Cathedral. It's not as fast as the tube, but it's certainly more scenic. What a way to travel. Okay guys, just like that, we have arrived in Battersea Power Station. The whole journey took about 50 minutes, not too bad at all, from Canary Wharf to Battersea. How do you feel about the boat?
The boat was ill. I really enjoyed it.
It was really scenic. The whole way through, you can see the London landscape cutting through, you know, Waterloo and Westminster. It was just very beautiful, isn't it? You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
The boat is fast. This guy, the pilot, is really fast. Or should I say captain? It's a really fast guy. When I searched the place, I was told that there is a lift that they can take you to the top of the power station, where it will afford you a pretty stunning view of London. So hopefully we can get to see them. It's a beautiful riverside walk. So we're now officially in West London. Across the river is the world famous Chelsea. This side is Battersea. Really happy with the weather today. It's cold though. Although it's sunny, it's actually only 13 degrees. We're going to Battersea Park in a minute, and then hopefully we can catch some yellow leaves. Okay guys, behind me is the Battersea Power Station. It used to be a disused power station, but for many years it has been left pretty much abandoned. But recently that has been turned into a luxurious shopping centre, and you can see there's a flat new build all around the area. It's very, very pretty. So we're going to go and have a look and see what the shopping centre has to offer. Okay, so this is what the Battersea Power Station looks inside. You can see the original structure, the steel structure still left in place to add a lot of atmosphere. All the original equipment is still here, and now everything is just shops.
One of the fancy malls.
Yeah. So the original equipment of the Battersea Power Station.
I mean, look at it, it looks amazing.
Papa, would you like to live here?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay, so if I have to choose Canary Wharf or here? Canary Wharf or here?
Maybe Canary Wharf, because I don't know.
You're more familiar with Canary Wharf, aren't you?
Okay guys, so I just got my boba. I'm gonna try it.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Enjoy. Bon appetit. Okay guys, so there is a lift inside that you can see the whole experience go all the way up to one of the chimneys, very high up in London. The problem is the price is so overpriced. So for me it's £23, for Amber it's £17, so altogether it's £40 just to see the just to go up. I'm sure it's going to be very, very beautiful. I just don't think it's worth it. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay guys, we have now arrived in Battersea Park. As you can see, the sun is still out and the weather holds, so it's been absolutely lovely. We're going to walk about in this park. Further to that side there is a Buddha statue. It's a peace monument, one of the 80s in the world, so we're going to go and check it out. So let's go. So Battersea Park is right next to the power station, or the shopping centre that we've just been. So for those who are not familiar with London landscape, Beyond the bank is Chelsea. The Stamford Bridge ground, I think, is just somewhere over the bank. But anyway, we're not here for football. We're here for this beautiful autumnal afternoon walk in the park. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the Buddha statue. There are 4 in total facing each direction all around the pagoda. It's absolutely stunning. It really reminds me of some of the buildings in Shanghai in China. This is one of the 80 buildings around the world to sort of remembrance or celebrate peace. And it's stunning. A弥陀佛。你要不要？好。Wow, this one is reclining Buddha. That is beautiful. Amber, it reminds me of Guangzhou when we went into Beijing Road, right?
Yeah.
The temple in Beijing Road. Okay guys, we have finally arrived back in Canary Wharf. Amber's hungry, I'm hungry. We are going to go and have some noodle. But yeah, that's the end of today's episode. I really do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumb up and subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next time. Cheerio!